Hey there, I'm Matt White, welcoming you to the July issue of Golf Karting Magazine. Peak golf cart season is here, and this issue is packed with the innovation and performance that define our industry. Our cover story spotlights EcoBattery's revolutionary Gen 3 lithium battery, featuring a full proprietary BMS developed by their US-based engineering team. This isn't just meeting today's demands, it's building tomorrow's foundation. We're continuing our community spotlight with Laguna Woods, California, where 11-foot wide dedicated paths create one of the safest golf cart environments in the nation. Don't miss our feature on the stunning Kart King and Mods collaboration with industry-first 16-inch wheels and a custom Louis Vuitton-inspired design. Plus, check out Trojan's new powerhouse, the one-pack high-performance lithium battery. We've seen a tremendous response to the Golf Karting Expo and Dealer Summit, which is set for October 8th to the 11th down in Charleston. Dealer registration is open, and we are still looking for exhibitors and sponsors. As always, I'd love to hear your feedback on what innovations excite you the most. Here's to a summer of power, performance, and incredible golf cart adventures.